Hey everyone, Eddie Campos here with RE/MAX Preferred Associates, and this is Coffee with Eddie. We're here at Union Home Mortgage. We're going to have a conversation with Cheryl Carroll to discuss what's going on in the mortgage industry and seeing what's happening with interest rates. Hey everyone, it's Eddie Campos here with RE/MAX Preferred Associates. This is Coffee with Eddie, episode 54, and I'm with Cheryl Carroll with Union Home Mortgage. Today, we're going to talk about interest rates. Last week, we discussed how interest rates have gone up recently. Most people don't understand how and why that happens. So Cheryl, if we can figure out a way to explain to just the general public, I know it's a big topic,
Yes.
How do we make that a little bit more simple for people to try to understand what happens?
So there's not some interest rate person up there just dingling a bell saying, let's raise interest rates and see what happens. There are a lot of factors that determine when interest rates go up or go down. We do, even though, Eddie, you and I in our careers benefit from a lower interest rate because people really, they want to refinance, they want to move.
Right.
It creates a lot of movement.
Makes it easy.
Makes it easier for the buyers. So, and for the sellers moving on. So, in this industry, we like the lower interest rate. But the economy and the markets outside the economy are doing better when interest rates are going up, typically.
So the things that impact us, foreign markets?
Foreign markets absolutely impact us. What is going on in their world? What's their money doing? What are they doing? What kind of security are they creating? It goes a little bit above my head and into the bond markets and the trading and the buying and all of that all impacts what happens to our interest rates and the level of trust and security that the whole country has with each other. It's very tied together.
So world events.
World events.
are a big
Absolutely.
factor.
Absolutely.
So when interest rates start to go up, that's a sign that things are starting to improve in the economy. And in this particular case, the price of homes are starting to go up.
Yes.
In our market, just a little bit slower than some markets because
Yes.
of where we're at. And so how does people that are paying cash versus financing, does this have any impact on what's happening to interest rates? Is that ever considered to be a factor at all?
Well, I not directly, not directly, but indirectly. Anything that we do fiscally impacts the market. Yes, if people have money and they're paying cash for houses, is an indication of what's going on as far as the economy and what reserve people have and where they're spending their money on and where they're spending it. And so absolutely.
So another sign that the economy might be doing well if they have the cash to be able to purchase a home or other larger items.
That's still
cash.
A very rare
Right.
situation, but yes, that could.
Well, this has been Coffee with Eddie, episode 54. We're discussing how the bond market and world events affect interest rates and how you're able to buy your home. Please come back to see us again next week for episode 55.